I'm at 271 Madrone Avenue, Cottage. This is the gate to the entry, courtyard. Little walk path. Nice little outdoor area here. Everything's enclosed. This door here actually leads you to the bedroom, so I will take you around the left side of the house where I'll enter the living room kitchen combo. This furniture can stay or go depending on your needs. So this is the entry, living room, and then a little kitchen. So you've got a small built-in oven and an electric cooktop, mini refrigerator and a sink, shelving units up top, and there's a closet here with shelving, and then through the door we've got another set of closets to the right. Some drawers and shelving in there, and then a little built-in bookshelf. Bedroom. Windows, so you get enough light, and a big bathroom. A large walk-in glass shower. And then, as I said, this is the door that takes you back out to the patio. And that is it.